Many Nigerians have continued to react to the shocking rape allegation made by the wife of one of Nigeria's popular musicians, Timi Dakolo, Bisola Dakola. Bisola Dakola, in a viral video, said Pastor Biodun Fatoyinbo, founder of the Commonwealth of Zion Assembly, Coza, raped her when she was 17 years old in Ilorin. Reno Omokri, reacting on his Twitter handle, said the most useless movie director won't accept Bisola Dakolo's plot. His words: I have never liked Pastor Biodun Fatoyinbo of Coza Church for reasons that I will not say publicly. However, I am matured enough to divorce my emotions and be led by logic, and I counsel those now condemning him to do the same. The average black African is easily moved to hysteria by excitable emotions. This is why it is ridiculously easy to manipulate Africans with the media. Satan does his best work with such people who can't suppress emotion in preference to logic. Think, don't emote. A pastor comes to your house early in the morning. He does not know who will open when he knocks or who is at home. He knocks and immediately you open. He pushed you to a chair and raped you in your pajamas. Do people think? Even the most useless movie director won't accept such a plot in a B-rated Hollywood, Nollywood, Bollywood movie. A movie has to have plausibility. I don't like Pastor Fatoyinbo. I won't suspect my intellect because of my dislike of the fellow. After he allegedly raped you, you kept quiet for enough time for him to go to his car and get a soda drink for you? It does not add up. My dislike for Biodun Fatoyinbo won't make me become a slanderer by default. This story rings very false. I am an advocate of morality. I publicly preach against premarital and extramarital sex. I pastor a congregation in Abuja for years. I will never ever support rape. But Satan is going about like a roaring lion, seeking whom to consume. Pastor Biodun Fatoyinbo, you slick. Too slick for my liking. What type of slick man will rape an underage girl in her parents' house while her siblings are at home and then leave her to go get a drink from his car? Is this man hypnosis? Do we black African of the Nigerian variety think at all? Do we only exist in the storming rain? I have a master's in law from England. The story cannot stand up in court. The story cannot stand up in the light of cross-examination. I give you my word that if he gave Satan 10 minutes to manipulate the minds of Nigerians, he will get a sizable number of Nigerians to believe that Jesus is evil and Satan, is good. We are too gullible, excitable, and emotional. This is Reporters at Large.